Hello guys, today quick video. I'm gonna show you how to delay the code. You're gonna see it on the screen at minute here, and I will show you how to figure out to fix that. Then let's do it. We've got this code 10.3.2 coolant valve for cylinder head open circuit. How are we gonna deal with this code? What's the problem and how we can fix? I've got multimeter with me. Mostly problem is here. We got electric supply here, connector. Obviously we have also two pipes which this valve regulate how under pressure is supposed to go to the valve itself. Valve is under this intake manifold and it's just on side of the engine. The code saying it's on the cylinder head, but physically still in the engine. Then how we can find out if that work properly or not? Because the faulty code itself we can clear, and as you see the faulty code not come back anymore, but the valve still doesn't work. Then what we're gonna do? We're gonna do output test. We're gonna go to our cylinder head control valve, sorry, coolant valve, and we're gonna do start. Then output test is running, and we're supposed to notice a little bit noise from that valve, but this one is completely dead. Then there is no noise. But also we can check if the power is supplied to the connector. Then now I'm gonna connect multimeter. I'm gonna set up voltage, and I'm gonna connect and have a look how it is. So now we got connected to our connector, and now you can see the voltage is between 840 till 11. Actually the test is finished, then I have to do a test again. Okay, I did perform another test. Now you can have a look. The voltage is going between 874 till 12 volts. Now we can be sure the wires are fine and the voltage is supplied correctly. Okay, and here we got new valve. I bought that on Audi. It cost me around 87 quid if I got to remember. This one we don't need it anymore. The valve has different letter at the end. Instead of Lima is Romeo. Maybe they fix something, maybe they destroy something, who knows. But once I'm gonna connect this one, you're gonna see how it works. Maybe you're gonna notice some noise. The valve coming without this rubber holder, which we have to remove from this and put on this one. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but obviously have to be done. But before I'm gonna do this, we're gonna check resistance. Let me connect to the old one first. Then we're gonna compare resistance between new and the old faulty one. The faulty one is 843 kilo ohms, and the new one not easy to do one hand job, but everything is possible, yeah? Okay, connected, and we've got 20 ohm, not kilo ohms, and that figures for the new one. Let me change over between each other and we're gonna check if it's work or not. Okay, this rubber holder is on new valve right now. How I remove that? Simple. I have to destroy the old valve That's how it looks like right now. It's going to the bin anyway, then no point to cut your hands or anything like this. As you see, the old one has Lima at the end, all the rest numbers are same. Okay, new valve in place. Let's see how it's gonna work when we're gonna perform the test right now. Okay, then test is performed, and have a look if you can notice any noise from the new valve. You can notice very silent click. This is how it works. There is membrane inside and the membrane going in and out, closing and opening obviously, and that's how it should works. And now the problem is solved. Let's see if we can find out any faulty code. Obviously nothing is there, as the valve is new and the problem is solved. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you soon on my next videos.